At EcoCare Home Comfort, your home's safety and comfort is our top priority.
Stay warm in winter and cool in summer with EcoCare's expert heat pump services across Canada. Comfort delivered.
Hot water when you need it. Our certified experts keep your water heater running efficiently. Trust EcoCare Home Comfort. Reliable heat, no matter the weather. Keep your home safe and warm with EcoCare's furnace maintenance and repair. Beat the summer heat with a perfectly running AC. EcoCare Home Comfort, keeping Canadians cool, one home at a time. Pure water, pure care. Trust EcoCare to install advanced water purification for your family's health and peace of mind.
At EcoCare Home Comfort, our mission is simple: to keep your home comfortable, energy efficient, and worry-free.